కనిపిస్తున్నాను అసలు.
Good morning, Mrs. Palki Akansha. Today I am here to interview on your life achievements and your struggles faced in your life. It is like a celebrating interview. So I'm glad to take an interview with you. So please tell me about yourself for our audience.
Good morning, Mr. Midlesh. So, I'm Akanksha Paliki and I'm from Vizag. I have done my schooling in Stella Mary School and I have gained 10 points in my 10th class. And after 10th, I have studied my inter in Sri Chaitanya Junior College. So, my percentage over there overall CGPA is like 9.59. And as for BTech, I have done my BTech in Gayatri Vidya Parishad College for degree and PG courses in electronics and communication engineering stream. So throughout my BTech, I have uh, maintained a percentage of 84%. So after BTech, right now I'm working in TCS. TCS, yeah.
Okay. I have some questions for you. The first question is, can you
Okay.
describe a major professional goal you have set for yourself as a software engineer and the steps you took to achieve it?
So, my major professional goal as a software engineer is to upgrade myself with a good package and with a good reputed role in my company. So, for that, I'm trying to learn many technologies for that, and I will apply for upgrading myself also.
Uh, what is the aspect that inspired you to become a software engineer?
So, as I'm from an electronics and communication engineering, I had scope for both hardware and software. So, regarding software, I kind of found coding interesting and I wanted to learn coding. So, like that, I found interest in software and now I'm working in a software company.
Okay. Uh, eh, for so many engineering students, their dream is to become a software engineer. So,
Mm.
what are the measures should we take to become a successful software engineer, not a normal, to get a high packages and good packages, to settle in a MNCs and in a better positions? What are your guidelines for them?
So, so if you want to get into a software company, first you need to put more interest on coding. There are many coding languages like Python, Java, C, C++. So whatever language you feel that is comfortable for you, you need to study that language and brush up your skills in that language and do coding in that language so you could get into a software company easily.
One more is, how do you handle setbacks or failures in your when pursuing a technical goal or a project?
So whenever I have setbacks, I come to square one and think like how to handle this situation, and I think about that so that I'll take many opinions also, uh, and after that I take inputs and work on myself to achieve my goals.
Okay. Uh, is there any problems faced by the women in software or any field or any MNC company? What are your suggestions for to overcome the problems for a female uh, professionals?
Mm, yes, females do face many problems in software companies like. They think that women can't do anything. So I would suggest all female associates that they do work on themselves and stop bothering about whatever they tell and focus on themselves only.
Uh, can you tell me what your time timeline for to become a successful software engineer for students? What do you prefer the best timeline to become a software engineer?
It's like whenever you feel comfortable, it's fine. Some can't work in few situations. So time management is very much important whenever you work on your skills or whenever you go into a project. So it's good if you maintain your professional and personal life separately without getting involved.
Okay. What is your short-term goal and long-term goal?
My short term goal was to get into a software company in a good MNC company, and my long term goal is to upgrade myself, become a team lead.
Okay. That's good. Uh, Before ending this session or the interview, can you give me a good lines for my students to have motivation for them? Anything you can say, anything.
So, Mr. Midlesh, from which branch are you from?
I'm actually from EC branch, same like, and
Oh,
uh, Delhi
that's
Institute of
great,
Technology,
actually.
Delhi Institute of
Yeah,
Engineering
yeah,
and
it's
Technology.
great. Okay, so you people will have many options like in hardware and software, right?
Yeah,
Even in hardware also, whenever you simulate something, you need some coding languages for that.
yeah.
So I would suggest you all people to have good focus on coding skills. So it might be helpful in future whenever you go for hardware interviews and software interviews. Yeah.
Thank you, Ms. Palpana Kansha, for giving me a chance to interview you. That was a great session for me, and I'm glad
Okay.
to make interview, and I have learned so many things from you. So thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Midlesh. It was a pleasure meeting you. It was a good convo going on between us.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.